أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Surah Baqarah, the cow. Verses 6 to 16 mention those people who deny some or all the six things mentioned in the previous verses. Then these people are also divided into two groups. The first group includes those who reach such a level of obstinacy that even if it is true, we will not accept it, such as some Jews of Medina and Abu Jahl and his companions, etc. The second group is those who apparently called themselves believers, but in reality, their faith was just for show.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إن الذين كفروا سواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون.
Indeed, as for those who deny these things and persist in disbelief, it is the same for them. Whether you warn them or not, they will not believe.
ختم الله على قلوبهم وعلى سمعهم وعلى أبصارهم غشاوة ولهم عذاب عظيم.
Allah has sealed their hearts and ears, and over their eyes is a veil, and eventually there will be severe punishment for them. Those who disbelieve simply because of obstinacy, stubbornness and bigotry, or because of arrogance and envy, there is no guidance in their destiny. In that era, infidels like Abu Jahl and Abu Lahab were the examples, but such people have existed and will continue to exist in every era.
ومن الناس من يقول آمنا بالله وباليوم الآخر وما هم بمؤمنين.
And some of the people are those who say that we believe in Allah and the last day, but they are not believers at all.
يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا وما يخدعون إلا أنفسهم وما يشعرون.
They want to deceive Allah and the believers, but they are only deceiving themselves, they are not even aware of it.
في قلوبهم مرض فزادهم الله مرضا ولهم عذاب أليم بما كانوا يكذبون.
In their hearts is the disease of hypocrisy. So Allah has increased their disease because of their deeds, and for them is a painful punishment because they used to lie.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ لَا تُفْسِدُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ قَالُوا إِنَّمَا نَحْنُ مُصْلِحُونَ.
And when it is said to them not to cause mischief on earth, they say that we are reformers.
أَلَا إِنَّهُمْ هُمُ الْمُفْسِدُونَ وَلَكِنْ لَا يَشْعُرُونَ.
Beware, they are the mischief makers, and yet they do not perceive it.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ آمِنُوا كَمَا آمَنَ النَّاسُ قَالُوا أَنُؤْمِنُ كَمَا آمَنَ السُّفَهَاءُ.
And when it is said to them, believe, as all the people have believed, they say, should we believe, as these foolish people have believed? The poor people, who believed in the messenger of Allah, the chiefs considered them as fools.
أَلَا إِنَّهُمْ هُمُ السُّفَهَاءُ وَلَكِنْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
Be aware. Actually, these people are fools, but they don't even know about their foolishness.
وَإِذَا لَقُوا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا قَالُوا آمَنَّا.
And when they meet the people who have believed, they say that we too have come to faith.
وَإِذَا خَلَوْا إِلَى شَيَاطِينِهِمْ قَالُوا إِنَّا مَعَكُمْ إِنَّمَا نَحْنُ مُسْتَهْزِئُونَ.
And when they are alone with their devils, They say, indeed, we are with you, we were only mocking with the believers.
الله يستهزئ بهم ويمدهم في طغيانهم يعمهون.
Allah is punishing them for their mockery and letting them loose, so they are wandering like blind men in their transgression.
أولئك الذين اشتروا الضلالة بالهدى فما ربحت تجارتهم وما كانوا مهتدين.
These are the people who have purchased misguidance for guidance, but their trade did not prove profitable, and they are not the guided people.